somebody sent me a message and the person was like, okay, so I'm starting a YouTube channel and these are the things I'm going to post. I'm like, seriously? So what is your need? The person is like,
I don't know.
what's the meaning of need? So you don't even know the meaning of need. Did you really research before you decided to start a channel?
Nope.
I think I've talked about something like this, a similar thing on my channel before, but I don't know. I think some people are not really getting me. They're not getting what I need. Okay, so if you are ready to start your YouTube channel, let's say you are now starting a YouTube channel, you are planning to start a YouTube channel, there are some things you need to take into consideration before you start your channel. Look, if you start a channel just to make, to have fun, to be posting irrelevant stuff, to be posting stuff that will make you happy without anything in mind, trust me, later you're going to regret it. You're going to regret it later. It happened to me before. I started this channel and I was posting irrelevant stuff, things that was out of proportion. I didn't really have a niche back then. I was just posting anything there, and later I really suffered. It really disturbed my channel a lot, and my channel was suffering a lot. Okay, so let me tell you this. Somebody sent me a message and the person was like, okay, so I'm starting a YouTube channel and these are the things I'm going to post. I'm like, seriously?
Really, nigga?
So what is your need? The person is like, what's the meaning of need? So you don't even know the meaning of need. Did you really research before you decided to start a channel?
Nope.
You didn't. Okay, I've always been telling you guys that if you want to start a YouTube channel, or let's say you started earlier but you made this mistake, please and please again go back and correct yourself. Okay, just take time off and try to correct yourself, because that is what I did. I started a channel posting irrelevant stuff. At first, I was getting the views, the likes and all that, but it stopped because I did not have a plan. I did not plan ahead. I wasn't having anything in mind to be posting. So I reached the point that I did not have any content to post again. I didn't have anything to post again, right? But if you have a niche in mind, you have something that you're going to work with, always you get something to be posting about, like to be making videos about. So this is what I did, like in my correction side. This is what I did. I stopped everything, deleted all the videos from my channel and decided to start all over again. What I did was that I decided to create at least 10 to 15 videos, right? Stop that. Sorry about earlier, I was just somebody disturbing me.
One eternity later.
I decided to create 10 to 15 videos, and then I decided to be posting them daily or in a space of 2 days, or you just anything that will make you feel comfortable, something that will not stress you. You have other things to into, so you have to create videos, get a niche. If you don't know how to get a niche, I have a video about it, how to get your own niche. I have a full video about it. You can go on my channel and go watch it, so it can help you get a niche. So get a niche, start to post videos or start making videos about the niche. If there is anything that you want to, I'm there. You can send me a message via email or Instagram. I'm always available. I can help you with that. So get a niche first and then make videos in advance. Get like 15, 10, more than 10 or 10 and above, right? It depends on you, but not less. So get a niche, make videos, edit them, ready to be posted, and then you decide, okay, so I'm starting this week. You start posting one today or in a space of 2 days or a day. It depends on you. I was doing it in a space of a day. So you have to recover, you have to revive your channel again. Most of you guys, your channels are dead. You will post a video and in a space of 3 days you go and you have like 18 views, 10 views, 5 views. No, you're not working. This is kind of joke. And you know that when you started earlier, it wasn't like this, right? It wasn't like this. We were having the views, the comments, the likes and all that. But now it has tagged. It's like your channel is dead. YouTube is no more recognizing your channel because yes, it's rational. It doesn't know. YouTube, the system doesn't know where to promote your channel to or where to, send your videos to, because today you're posting about health, tomorrow you're posting about fashion, the next day you're posting about music, the next day you're posting about education. Now, so if you post a video about health right now and the assistant decides to send them to people who are interested in health and all that, the next time you post a video about education, the video is going to be sent to students and all that. Now, so the next time that you post a video, it's like YouTube will be struggling finding people always for your video. But let's say you are posting about education only, YouTube will send a video to students, go watch it, and the next time to students again, the next time to the students again. Now those students will be interested in your channel, your content, what you create, and they'll start subscribing, liking. Sometimes they'll be even waiting for your videos to come out so they can watch. And that is how you grow your channel, and how your channel starts to grow, right? So get it and start posting relevant things on your channel, right? If you don't, I don't think it's going to help you. I started this, and for the first time in my life, I'm seeing that my views are going higher and higher. Let me tell you this, I started my channel just this year. It's like it's been 2-3 months, not actually 3 months, but I don't know, maybe it's 2-3 months there. That is when I started my channel, and I saw that I made this mistake like a month after I started this channel. So I decided to correct myself from these 2 months. Let me tell you, I was having 41 subscribers, and after I started to correct myself, right now currently I'm at 270 something. It's cool for me. It's an improvement, even though it still that I'm still struggling, but it's an improvement for me. And my watch hours too are growing. It's increasing. At first my views were like around 50, 30, 20, but now I'm recording views in hundreds, 200s, 300s and above, So it's an improvement, and this is what I have learned in it. And I know when you start doing this too, it is going to help you. So make sure you start right. Don't start a channel and start posting things you don't even know about. Start posting pictures about yourself, just you going somewhere, posting pictures. But you know what you're going to do. You're going to talk about education, but you started with pictures of yourself. What has your pictures got to do with education? Or let's say you're going to talk about health. What has health got to do with your pictures or pictures of other people?
Stop it. Get some help.
You start cue your channel in the beginning and you expect YouTube to grow your channel for you. That is not going to happen. That is the main reason why most of your channels are stuck. Someone told me
my channel is dead. YouTube doesn't recognize my channel again.
I tell you this truth. If you start to correct yourself, you're going to see that YouTube is going to stop promoting your videos and your things again, and you are going to thank me later. Okay, so I hope this video helped everybody. It is going to help everybody or anyone who is interested. If you watch this video to the end, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and commenting so that you all go together. Okay, just send me a hi or send me a message with anything that is on your mind that you want to ask me, and I'll be very glad to answer you. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Gertrude and this is the Jesus Test. Thank you so much, and until next time.